Tom, if I sent you a text message that said IDK LMK, would you know what I'm saying, or would you think I was typing in a secret code?
A few years ago, I would have thought your phone was broken. It looks like alphabet soup.
Exactly. But today, if you don't know these short codes, you can't survive a WhatsApp group or a work chat.
It's true. Learning texting English is just as important as speaking. Welcome back to the Easy English for Beginners channel. I'm Tom.
And I'm Anna. Today, we're teaching you how to text like a native so you never feel old or confused online again. Exactly. But before we teach how to text like native, we have a quick favor to ask our listeners.
Right. If you enjoy our conversations, please hit that like button. It really helps our channel reach more students.
And don't forget to subscribe to Easy English for Beginners channel. We want to keep creating these podcasts for you, and your support helps us grow. Plus, share this with a friend who is practicing their English.
So, Anna, why do people use these short words? Is it because they are lazy?
A little bit, but mostly it's about speed. The most important one is IDK. It stands for I don't know.
IDK? I use that one a lot. What about LMK?
That's let me know. It's very polite. You can say, I am going to the park. LMK if you want to come.
That is so much faster. It makes the conversation feel more chill.
Now, here's a big mistake beginners make. They use a period or full stop at the end of a text.
Wait, my teacher told me to always use a period. Is my teacher wrong?
In school, it's perfect, but in a text message to a friend, a period can make you sound angry.
Angry just from a dot?
Yes, if I say okay, it sounds like I am mad at you. If I say okay with no dot or okay, it sounds friendly.
Wow, texting is like a whole different language. What about LOL?
Everyone knows laugh out loud, but natives also use LMAO when something is really funny, or just the skull emoji if they are dying of laughter.
Skull? I thought that meant something scary. English is crazy.
Let's recap. Use IDK, I don't know, BTW, by the way, and BRB, be right back.
And don't use periods if you want to stay friends.
Exactly. Now, we want to hear from you. What is one abbreviation you see online that confuses you? Write it in the comments and we will explain it.
If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to the Easy English for Beginners channel.
See you in the next chat. Bye-bye.
Bye.